Let's face it, PCI DSS compliance, GDPR regulations, and data security in general are no longer just tick-box exercises for the IT department. In today's digital-first landscape, where cyber threats and data breaches are commonplace, ignoring your compliance obligations could be the costliest mistake you ever make. Still think it won't happen to us? You only need to look at real-world examples to understand the financial and reputational damage that non-compliance can cause. For instance, British Airways was fined £20 million after hackers stole the personal data of over 400,000 customers. Marriott International faced an £18.4 million fine for failing to secure customer data after a cyber attack. These aren't isolated incidents, they're cautionary tales for every business, regardless of size or sector. Despite these high-profile data breaches, many business leaders still see GDPR and PCI compliance as a cost with no return, a time-consuming hassle, someone else's problem. But what if we told you there's a way to turn this business burden into a commercial opportunity? Yes, you read that correctly. Smart, forward-thinking companies are no longer treating security and compliance as just a legal necessity. Instead, they're using it to build trust with clients and customers, stand out in competitive procurement processes, win bigger contracts that demand evidence of robust data practices, expand into regulated markets that require stringent data protection policies. Here's how aligning your security and compliance efforts with commercial goals can generate revenue. Increased customer confidence. Customers are more likely to buy from brands that take data protection seriously. Stronger B2B partnerships. Large partners and suppliers often require evidence of compliance before engaging. Access to new markets. Regulated industries like healthcare, finance, and government require demonstrable compliance. Stronger brand reputation. A clean data record builds long-term trust and loyalty. In our free guide, you'll discover practical steps to align your GDPR and PCI DSS efforts with your commercial goals. How to pitch data security as a selling point to clients. Case studies from businesses that turned compliance into a competitive edge. Proven tactics to maximize ROI from your compliance spend. Don't wait for a breach. Take control now. Compliance doesn't have to be a cost center. With the right approach, it can become a growth strategy, opening new doors and protecting what you've worked hard to build. Download your free guide now and discover how to monetize compliance for your business.